So I want to talk about head and heart, that what is that head represent. When we talk about head, what does head want? You're sitting here, you're listening to somebody. What your head is looking for. Your head is looking for maybe some kind of data, some kind of stats, some kind of numbers, maybe some kind of research that you can use to, so that you can have the winning in your life, in your profession. This is what head wants. But what heart wants? Heart wants stories. Yeah. Heart wants experiences. And heart wants love and compassion. It doesn't care about winning. Yeah. Heart is okay to lose. That's why, if you just work with the one of these, you will be, if you just operate out of your heart, maybe you'll have a good time, you'll be very happy, you'll be a joyful person, but you'll not be success in the world. Because to be successful in the world, you need both head and heart. And that's why, when we combine data with stories, we combine this number with experiences, we combine our winning with love and compassion. That's what the whole theme of head and heart is. Can we do that at the workplace? Can we bring that at the workplace?